Hello students, welcome to Study Zone. Let's learn together. Today in this video I'll be discussing with you about the important questions and answers of chapter 1, A Letter to God, in your NCERT English textbook. So your first question is, what did Lencho hope for? Answer: Lencho hoped for the rain shower desperately as he is a farmer who is waiting for his ripe corns to grow and harvest. So number 2. Why did Lencho say the raindrops were like new coins? Answer: According to Lencho, his crops would flourish and yield well only if it is rained heavily. Just as new coins signify prosperity and wealth, the raindrops would bring in a beautiful harvest. This is why Lencho compared the raindrops to new coins, hoping for a good harvest and some success. Third question: How did the rain change? What happened to Lencho's field? After a sudden gust of wind had begun to blow, very large hailstones began to fall along with the rain. Thus the rain changed. Lencho's field was totally destroyed by the hailstones. The flowers were gone from the plants and the corn was totally destroyed. Fourth question: What made Lencho angry? Lencho became angry when he received the letter because he was only given 70 pesos when he asked for 100 pesos. He thought that God would not deny him his wish and concluded that someone at the post office must have stolen the money before delivering it to him. Fifth question: What were Lencho's feelings when the hail stopped? Answer: After the hail stopped, Lencho's heart was filled with sadness. He was completely shattered. He could see a bleak future for him and his family. He was worried about lack of food for the coming year. Sixth question: Who or what did Lencho have faith in? What did he do? Answer: Lencho had faith in God. He believed that God sees everything. He wrote a letter to God asking for 100 pesos in order to sow his field again and to live until the crop grew. Seventh question: Who read the letter? Answer: The postman read Lencho's letter. He broke out laughing, but almost immediately he turned serious and tapping the letter on his desk. Commented: What faith! I wish I had faith of the man who wrote this letter. Starting up a correspondence with God. Eighth question: What did the postmaster do then? Answer: The postmaster decided to help Lencho. He asked his colleagues to contribute some and he himself gave a part of his salary. He tried to help Lencho by collecting some amount of pesos for him. Ninth question: Was Lencho surprised to find a letter for him with money in it? Answer: No. Lencho was not surprised to find a letter for him with money in it. He believed that God had sent the money to him in answer to the letter he wrote to God. 10th question: Why does the postmaster send money to Lencho? Why does he sign the letter God? Answer: The postmaster read Lencho's letter, which was addressed to God. And even though he laughed because it was impossible for the letter to reach God, he admired Lencho for his faith in God. This is why he sent money to Lencho and signed it God, so that Lencho would believe that God has answered his prayers. 11th question: Did Lencho try to find out who had sent the money to him? Why or why not? Answer: No. Lencho did not try to find out who had sent the money to him. This is because he never suspected that it could be anybody else other than God who would send him the money. His faith in God was so strong that he believed that God had sent him the money. 12th question: Who does Lencho think has taken the rest of the money? What is the irony in the situation? Answer: Lencho thought that the post office employees had taken the rest of the money. The irony of the situation was that the employees, whom he called a bunch of crooks, had suspected of taking some money sent by God, were the same people who had contributed and sent him the money. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all liked it. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. And don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Bye.